Morning, Pottery friends. Oh, it's morning here on Bonaire in the Pottery studio. And I come to you with another kiln opening. And I have some news, but that is related to some of the pots in here. So I'll get to that when we get to the pots, right? I'm wondering if I should... No, I think we're good. I think we're good. I have some funky things in here, some fun things in here. And the first one is on top. Can I? Yeah, I can. This was a special request. And it's a feeding bowl for turtles. Somebody has pet turtles and asked me to make a feeding bowl. This is the logo of their company. And so I made it with a little ramp so they can easily climb in and climb out. And of course the texture's made with coral from the beach, inlaid with slip and wiped away. And I made a little stencil of their logo. That they gave me a flyer. I cut out a little plastic stencil because I sometimes also make little bread plates for them. There's a little turtle feeding bowl. I'll put this aside, take out the shelf, and we'll get to the next layer. Next layer. Oh, I have some posts. Still need to go out. Here's another mug. This was supposed to go into the last glaze firing. Of course, sgraffito with coral red, an orange, and shrimp pink. Those are all mason stain colors. But while I was waxing the bottoms of all the mugs from the last firing, I do not wash my bisque. I know that people do take off the dust because it might cause crawling. I don't think it does, but you know, I don't know everything. I'm outside. I only have a roof over my head and one wall, the rest is outside. Everything stays outside. So you can imagine on a Caribbean island how dusty it gets. I hardly ever have crawling. Only when I glaze too thick. So, but I do take out the dust. I mean, I won't leave it in there. So I usually just blow it out. Or if there's a lot, I take a brush, a stiff, clean brush, and I, you know, brush the dust off, and that's it. And while I was doing that, while I was making waxing the bottoms, I picked up this one, bisque fired, wanted to brush it out, but I had my wax brush in my hand, so that was a big blob of wax inside, so I had to bisque it again. But now it's done. Remember the last video, stretching out that slip? I made a little pendant. It's cute. I have some tests in here as well. You know, I've been testing jungle gems on top of a stable cone 5/6 glaze, and most of them were on my black clay. These are on my white clay. This is greenstone and jungle gem 756. I like that. And this is greenstone with jungle gem 785. I don't know if the color will come out good. We'll see. It's purple, blue, gray, and a little bit of green. You've seen these before, right? Just price thingies. I write on them with a Sharpie. This is my clear glaze with mason stain Bermuda. Do not know the percentage. New design, sgraffito. I don't know. Did it work? Yeah, it worked. I carved the negative space in a pattern this time with birdies. think I could have carved out a little bit more, maybe. I like it. He's cute. Another one, because I like turquoise. This is a meandering pattern inspired by brain corals. They're beautiful. So yeah. A sgraffito bowl. I haven't made many bowls lately. I was in an orca mood. I have several pieces with orcas on them. And I have 2 cups here. There's a pitcher that goes with it, but that didn't make the kiln because I didn't have room. And I thought I'd combine a glaze with sgraffito. So this is the sgraffito part. Greens, no, not yes. A green, a turquoise and a dark blue. With the beautiful green stone. Let's see if I can get the light. There it is. And there's his brother. So they will have to wait until I have room to do the picture. Another shelf. And I think, yeah, we now get to the part with the news. Okay. First, something else. What orcas? Cute little buttons. Sgraffito. Where to put you? I have some greenware here. This is bone dry. I have to be careful. And a jar. Doesn't come off yet. I'll tap it later. This is partially sgraffitoed. Roof roof. A dog treat jar. I like it. Let's see if I can get the lid off. I take a wooden thingy. Oh, there it is. Ta-da! Oh gosh, it's so cute. I broke my dog treat jar. I might keep it. Let me put this away and get to the other parts with the news. A little story while I take out my posts. Where do I put them? No, I can't do that at the same time. I was, of course, you know, my dear pottery sister Sarah Amos from the Pottery Corner. And she, in one of her videos, I'm sorry, I'm too curious. Ooh, cool. Okay. In 1 or 2 of her videos, she thanked some of her followers for donating through the thanks button on YouTube. Looking for the thanks button, nowhere to be found. So I dove in to that. Well, why don't I see the thanks button? Of course I want to support my pottery sister, right? I couldn't find it. And it has to do with monetizing your YouTube channel. Now, I hadn't planned to. I don't think I'll become a millionaire from monetizing my YouTube channel. And to be honest, the advertisements, I'm not a big fan, but hey, I guess that's how the YouTube world, ooh, mosquito, works nowadays, so it's fine. If I am correct, you should not see advertisements in the middle of my videos. If YouTube does what it says it does. What I found out is I cannot monetize my YouTube channel because I'm on Bonaire. Not available in your country. something like that. And then I thought, you know what, maybe I can find a different way. Long story short, I found another way, which means there won't be any ads on my YouTube channel, but I will be talking to you about my Ko-fi page. I'm setting it up, and there will be an online shop on there as well. And I thought, why not make some items that are a little bit different, a little bit more unique for my YouTube pottery community, because you are all amazing. And I'll put them in the shop, and I'll do a one-time restock all at once for, let's say, 2 weeks, and then I'll take the things that are not sold out and put them here. So they will be especially just for that shop. And I thought I wanted to do something different, so I did, and that's in here. They were also a little bit experimental, so let's see. That one worked. Nice. There we go. This is, let's get the light, a sea ray. See, I do it again. Ray sgraffito with the beautiful, beautiful Blue Monday. And it's a funny story. I was thinking about how to do this, because normally I just, dunk them in my bucket of clear glaze and I'm done. I didn't want that. And this is a dipping glaze. And I know that if you get drips, you see them very well with this glaze. Look, here's one. And so I brushed on some clear on the sgraffito part, and then I thought, and then I'll wax over it, and then I'll dip it in my Blue Monday. The wax peeled off. It was a horrible mess. More wax, and then I dipped it, and then I had to scrape it all off and redo this. So I'm going to have to think of a different way to do that next time. But, well, it did come out good. So that's one. Oh, I can put it here. I have another one with a oh, that turned out good too. Oh, no, I have a pinhole, I think. Oh, that's not a pinhole. That's something in the clay. Oh. I don't have my glasses here. I'll examine later. Here's a turtle with the beautiful Blue Monday, and I guess I dripped it. Makes it unique. And then I did, this was easier because I could brush it on flamingos. Sgraffito with a beautiful combination of greenstone and that jungle gem, and it goes all over the place. It dripped a little bit, but just fine. Oh gosh, I like this. Isn't it cute? I have more of those. Uh-oh. Oh, that one ran a bit. It ran on the cookie. Thanks for the cookies. Oh, look, there's one little drip. Oh, I like it. That's cute. The rest is perfect. I'll just grind that little bit off. And one more to go. That dripped perfect. Perfect. Just a few little drips into the sgraffito. I like that. I like that. There it is. Oh, clear glaze on the inside, by the way. So that's my plan. I will leave you with a link to my Ko-fi page. I'll put it in the description, and I will also put it in a pinned comment or something like that. I have a service on there already, so you can take a look. If you want to, there's a donation button, and Ko-fi is one of the few companies, or Patreon kind of like things that don't take any money from donations. So if you donate $1 or $3 or $5, they're all coming into my account and they don't take anything from that. There are some pictures of previous commissions on there. You can send me a message, and if you want to commission me for something. And the shop, I need a few more items, maybe more like this, maybe other things. Let me know. You know, if you say, you know, I never had the chance to buy something from you, I would love to buy a mug or a butt vase or a spoon rest, or I'm trying to keep them small in the beginning, also because of the shipping costs, and we'll see how it goes. So I will be filling that shop in the near future, and I will tell you all about it. I'm still working on it, but you can take a look and let me know what you think. And that's it for now. So you know what I've been doing, what I've been busy with is the reason why I haven't posted a video every week, diving into all that YouTube stuff and things like that. I say goodbye to you, all my pottery friends. Have a wonderful week. I hope I'll get back to you soon. And if you want to, hop over to my Ko-fi page. And I say happy potting. See you next time. Bye bye.